Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to send crypto from your TREZOR Safe 5. To send crypto, you'll need to have your wallet connected via USB to either your Android phone or your PC. Then open TREZOR Suite, and in TREZOR Suite select the crypto you want to send. So like I'll select my Ledger account of Solana, but if you're just using your Trezor, you'll probably just need to select the right account. If you don't have the crypto listed here for the type of asset you want to send, you can click on add account and select and activate the one that you want. Now I'll just select this Solana, as I said, then click on send, and I'll need to type in the address of the person who's gonna receive it and the amount. So I'll just get back shortly when I type the address in. Okay, and now let's type in the amount. You can also select send max, so it'll just send whatever is the maximum you can send from your account, so your whole account, but you can also just type in the amount in either the crypto you're sending or in an actual real world currency. You can select a different currency, and I'm just gonna click on review and send. Now on the device, you'll need to tap to continue. After verifying the correct address, you need to verify if it's the correct address. Then verify the amount and the transaction fee. And now hold to sign the transaction. Now it's done, so let's click on send on the computer or on your Android device, and it's done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.